This is the Picotee C-section postpartum belly band. So this can be used for multiple different purposes. But you can see here we've got some Velcro pieces, and then you are going to fit it around your waist to the other size. So maybe you are post-surgery, post-C-section, post-birth, or even just looking for something to kind of slim out your waistline. This will give you like a instant kind of smoothing action. So great to wear under clothes as well. So this is just kind of how it looks over top the clothes here, just for ease of seeing kind of how it works and how it fits. It's cotton, so it's not itchy too, so it feels really nice even if you're wearing it straight against the skin, and you're not going to overheat with it only being 1.5 millimeters thick, and it's got that kind of horizontal elasticity all the way through it, so lots of stretch to it. I know for me myself personally, I love wearing waist trainers when I am working out. I feel like I sweat a little bit more, target that area, and it helps with my posture. So I am not post-surgery or anything, but I like this for underneath any of my kind of fitness clothes. I do have other kind of waist trainers that are much more stiff that aren't great when I want to be kind of more flexible, if I want to wear one for yoga or for something that I'm doing a lot of bending in. So that is where this waist trainer comes in really handy, or girdle. It goes by plenty of different names. I would say just order your normal size because it has so much stretch and flexibility to it. And you can see really the smoothing effect here. So even with a really fitted top on here, very much kind of smooths out the look of the tummy area. Great size selection on these, and they do have multiple color choices too. So if you want to wear it with different clothing options, that is available to you. Really love it. Check it out.